AI YouTube Roblox channels are literally exploding right now. This channel right here was created just 1 month ago, and it already has 1.5 million subscribers and over 300 million views. The new YouTube algorithm is literally on fire. It just shows that anyone can start a YouTube channel and blow up. Here's another channel that was created 3 months ago, and it got 1.2 million subscribers and 1 billion views. Is this a joke? Seriously, 1 billion views in just 3 months. It took me 7 years. That YouTube play button over there. It took me 7 years, and yet this channel got it in 3 months. And the other channel got it 1 month. But now you're probably wondering how much money these channels are making. Well, because they're shorts, they're posting shorts, YouTube usually pays around 10 cents per 1,000 views. So this channel who got 1 billion views probably made around $100,000. So this is something people get wrong. They think you don't make money with shorts because on shorts you get paid way less. But it doesn't matter if you get billions of views, does it? And shorts channels are getting billions of views. Some of them already have 50 billion views. It's mind-blowing. There's a lot of money to be made inside this shorts trend. Before I show you guys how to create a videos, we first have to study the channel so we can understand why did it get 1.5 million subscribers in just 1 month. As we can see, the channel name is Bolt. If we click over here on more to see more statistics, we will see that this channel was created in September 1, 2025, and right now it's October 13, 2025. So this channel was created 1 month and 12 days ago. It's absolutely crazy. In just 1 month, this channel got 1.5 million subscribers. I know I've said this a couple of times, and I'm sorry I've been repeating myself, but it's just crazy. So let me explain what this channel is doing. This channel is posting Roblox shorts. What is Roblox? Roblox is the most popular video game on the planet right now. It's played by more than 1 billion kids. And because it's played by 1 billion kids, obviously there's going to be a huge audience on YouTube who awaits Roblox videos. And this is not just one channel that is blowing up. As I said, let me show you another channel. So this channel over here got 1.2 million subscribers, and if we click on more, we will see it was created in July 2025, which is 3 months ago, and it got 1 billion views, so it made $100,000. So this Roblox shorts thing is going crazy. Anyone who's starting a Roblox channel right now will get tons of views because, as I said, there are 1 billion kids or even more. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put statistics on the screen right now, but there are 1 billion kids playing this game. And the best part is that kids and teenagers, they have all the time in the world because they don't have to go to work. So they have a lot of time on their hands. That's why they're watching tons of videos like this. So let me show you the videos. If we go over here and we click on the most popular, we will see the most popular video has 23 million views. And then we have 13 million views, 11 million views, 12 million views, 10 million views. This channel is getting millions and millions and million reviews. And by the way, the craziest part is that you don't even have to play Roblox. I know it sounds crazy, but you don't have to play Roblox. You don't have to show your face, and you don't have to use your voice. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these shorts and get millions of views. And let me show you how to do this yourself. So here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using AI to create AI avatars that are going to react to Roblox videos. Sounds pretty cool, right? So let me show you a video over here. This girl over here is not real. This is an AI, and the AI plays the game or reacts to the game. And as we can see, this video got 400,000 likes and 14 million views over here. I use vidIQ in order to see how many views this short got, because without vidIQ, I can't see how many views. So this video got 14 million views in 4 months. This is an AI avatar playing Roblox or reacting to Roblox. And that's what we're going to be creating in this video. Now, to keep everything simple and easy for you guys, I prepared a free Google document in the description. There's a link down in the description. If you click on the link, it's going to send you to this free document. This is a free document. Anyone can use this document. The reason why I prepared this document is because we need a few links to the tools we're going to be using, which is OBS, Dupdub, and CapCut. So if you want to try to create a channel like this one that got 1.5 million subscribers in just 1 month, then all you have to do is go to this document and copy what I'm doing inside this video. Learn from me. So with that said, let's begin the tutorial. The first tool we need, it's OBS. OBS, it's a free live streaming and screen recording program. As I said, it's free. It's completely free. So go to my free document and click on this link called OBS Project and go to their website and then download OBS on your computer. And after you download it, install OBS on your computer. Then go ahead and open OBS on your computer, and it should look something like this. The interface should look something like this. Now, obviously, you're not going to have these scenes over here because these scenes are the scenes I use to record this video right now. I'm using OBS to record this video you're watching right now because it's awesome. Let me create a new scenes just to show you. So this is how it's going to look for you. It's going to say you don't have any sources. All you have to do over here is right-click, select Add a new source, and select Display Capture. You can give it a name if you want, so I'm going to say Roblox Reacting. And click OK. Leave the capture method over here on automatic, and then over here where it says display, choose your display. Now, I have two displays, so I'm going to choose my primary monitor, which is this one. And as you can see, because I already have OBS opened on this display, OBS is recording OBS, and it creates like a loop. And over here on the right, you can see because of my webcam, but I'm going to drag this above a little bit. You can see we have Start Streaming or Start Recording. If I click Start Recording, OBS is going to start to record the display. That's it. That's how simple it is to install and use a screen recording program like OBS. Now, what we want to do is create an AI avatar that will react to Roblox videos. But before we create the AI avatar, we need to choose the videos the AI avatar will react to. So go back to YouTube, right? Go back to YouTube, and over here where you have three dots on the top, click on these three dots and select New Incognito Window. And it's going to open a new incognito window. The reason why we're using an incognito window is because this way Google will not save the previous information and history of your browsing history. And because of that, when you go on YouTube and you search for something, it's going to show you the most popular and viral videos. This is a pretty simple and very cool trick top creators use to find viral videos. And if you appreciate that I'm sharing all these information for free, make sure to subscribe my channel. After opening a new incognito window, type youtube.com inside it and enter. So you can go to YouTube, and as you can see, it's as if you just installed Windows and it's the first time you ever go on YouTube. YouTube is showing us no recommended videos because there's no search history, and because of this, when we search for something, YouTube will provide only the viral videos. So go over to the search bar and search for Roblox Shorts. Now, as you can see, if we look at the videos, this one has 3 million views, 3 million views, 5 million views, 5 million views. So now what you want to do is find a short that is either viral already or it's about to go viral. So for example, if we scroll down over here and we take a look, then one over here with 700,000 views might go viral. It's an animation with Roblox as well. So just click on it. So this is a good short you can react to. What you want to do now is go over to OBS, open OBS, and click over here where it says Start Recording. Now, I can't click on Start Recording myself because I'm going to show you I already have an OBS window open where I'm recording the screen right now, and I'm already recording, as you can see. So what you want to do is click Start Recording, close OBS, make sure you're recording from the beginning of the video, then go back to OBS, and click Stop Recording. And now to check your recording, go to the top left over here where it says File, click on this, and click Show Recordings. And it's going to open a folder with your recordings. And as you can see, this is the video I recorded. And it should look something like this, right? That's it. That's how simple it is. Now it's time to create the AI avatar. Now, in order to create an AI avatar, we're going to be using Dupdub.com. There's going to be a link to this tool down in the description of my video, and there's also going to be a link to this tool in the free document I provided. So go to my free document over here, and as you can see, we have a link to Dupdub. Go to Dupdub and create a new account if you don't have an account. Now, the reason why I like Dupdub so much is because it's very cheap to create an AI avatar with Dupdub. I've used different AI generator tools before, but they are too expensive. And in my opinion, Dupdub is the cheapest one on the market right now, and it also generates very realistic AI avatars. Now, if you just want to try it out to see if it's worth it or not, they offer a 3-day free trial, so you can try it for free for 3 days. Now, let's go ahead and create our avatar. Over here where it says products, as you can see, they offer a lot of products: AI avatar, video translation, video editing, voice cloning, text-to-speech, AI transcription, AI subtitles, tons of things, AI sound effects, but we're going to be using just the AI avatar for now. So click on AI avatar, and then over here, click Start for free. And it's going to send you to this page. Now, you can upload your own face and transform your own face into a talking avatar, or you can use ChatGPT or Leonardo AI or Google VR or whatever image generator you want to generate a character or a person, an avatar, and use that photo to create the avatar, or you can use their already pre-made avatars. So if we go over here, as you can see, they already have avatars. If we click on motion avatar, they already have pre-made avatars. And for this video, for this example, I'm going to be using this avatar over here, this girl with green hair. All you have to do is choose the avatar or upload your own avatar, then go over here to change the voice of the avatar to make sure it fits with the avatar. Because if we listen to this one,
as Prost, the cigarette crude leg
with the avatar we chose, right? So we need to choose a voice that fits with the face of the avatar. So go to voices and search through them until you find something that fits with your avatar.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
So for example, I like this one because it sounds a little bit more realistic and it actually fits with the avatar. So if we listen to it,
once upon a time in a small village.
Now after you choose a voice, simply click over here where it says select. Now in order to make our avatar speak, we have to type the script over here. We need to type inside this thing over here what we want the avatar to speak. Now because we're creating Roblox reactions, we need to look at the video and then based on that video, write a script for our avatar over here. So let me show you. I'm going to open the video and I'm going to look at the video. So first of all, I understand that the video is around 50 seconds long, 60 seconds long. And what's happening? This guy apparently has a Roblox base with some treasure inside, and it's locked. And then it gets unlocked. And people come in and steal his treasure, right? It's very simple to understand. As I said, you don't need to play Roblox, and after you do a few videos, you will start to understand how Roblox works, and it will be very easy for you to create these small crypts. So then after looking at the video, we now understand what the video is about, so we can exit the video and go back to Dupdub. And over here where it says type in your text, we're going to type the script. So I'm gonna say, wow, this guy has such a cruel base and he has so much treasure inside. Now, if you don't want to text and use a voice, you can also upload your own voice, or you can record your voice. But for this example, we're going to use their voices and we're going to use a text-based script because in my opinion is really good. Now, in order to generate your avatar, all you have to do is click on this blue bar over here where it says generate talking avatar. And it's going to take like 1 minute to have your avatar generated. And as I said, it's super cheap. This video is going to be around 50 seconds long to 20 seconds long, and as you can see, it costs just 2.6 credits, and I'm gonna show you how cheap it is. So first, let me click here, generate, in order to generate the avatar. And as we're waiting for the avatar to be generated over here, as we can see. So if we go over here to pricing, we will see that for $11 a month, you get 1,800 credits. And remember, this avatar over here, which is 13 seconds, cost us 2.6 credits only. It's very cheap because we're generating shorts, and our shorts are going to be 13 seconds long, 20 seconds long, and because of that, we're not going to be spending a lot of credits. That is why I recommend Dupdub if you want to create fast and easy AR avatars, because it's super cheap. Now, when the process is done, it's going to say ready over here on your avatar, and you can click on preview to preview your video. So let's see how it looks.
Wow, this guy has such
as we can see, I have a talking avatar, and if you like it, all you have to do is download it to your computer, and over here we have a button to download it to our computer, so just click on this, and it's going to download to your computer. Now it's time to edit the videos and rig this avatar react to the Roblox video. For that, go back to my free document, and inside the free document, I have a link to CapCut. Go to CapCut and download CapCut on your computer because it's a free video editing software. It has paid features, but we don't use the paid features, so just download CapCut on your computer. After you downloaded CapCut on your computer, go ahead and open CapCut. Now, after you open CapCut, it should look something like this. Over here where it says import, add your AI avatar video and your Roblox recording. So I'm gonna add the Roblox recording over here. As you can see, I'm dragging it over here, and then I'm gonna drag and drop the AI avatar we just created over here. Now, editing this is going to be super easy. Take your Roblox video over here and drag it on the timeline, and then delete to the part where the Roblox video starts. So to delete, all you have to do is drag the video over here, just like me. As you can see, we can just drag it, and I'm going to stop dragging exactly when the video starts. Here. So now if we hit play, we can see the Roblox video starts. And then we have to drag the other way over here up until the Roblox video stops. I think it stops. Let me check. just here. Just like that. Now we have to change the resolution. Go over here where it says ratio, click on this, and select 9:16. This is the Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram resolution for Reels, for Shorts, and for TikTok videos. So click on this, and as you can see, our video screen changes to this. Now all we have to do is increase the size of our Roblox recording, and for that just drag it by clicking over here, just like that. And make sure you increase it to fit with our screen. And if you increase the size too much and you can't see the white bars anymore, you can still increase the size by going over here where it says scale and increasing this, just like that. And increase it. And then just position it over here so it fits. If we hit play, our video is going to look like this now. Now go ahead and take your avatar and place it on top of the video, just like this, at the beginning of the video. Now what we want to do is make this AI avatar look like it's a webcam. So make sure you click on the AI avatar video just like this, and then go over here to the top right where it says mask, and then click add mask. As we can see, we've added a mask. It's this cube over here. We can drag it around and place it somewhere else, but what we want to do is increase the size of it by dragging these bars over here, just like that. As we can see, we're going to increase the size like this, and then we're going to increase the horizontal size, just like this. And then to make it look more like a webcam, we can make the borders rounder. So over here, if we scroll down, we will see we have round corners. Increase this, and as we can see on the video over here, we now have round corners. And now all we have to do is go back to the video over here on the timeline, right-click on the video, and click Create Compound. So now we basically saved this effect, this mask, on our video. If we hit play, it's going to look like this. Now all you have to do is decrease the size and change the position. And for that, again, just click on the bars, make sure you have your video selected, and click on these bars over here. Or you can go to basic and decrease the scale or whatever, but I like to use the bars over here. It's much easier. So I'm going to decrease the size of our AI avatar, and I'm going to place it over here in the corner. Just like that. And now if we look over to the timeline over here, we will see that our AI avatar clip is shorter than the Roblox video. To fix this, you have two options. You go ahead and you generate the avatar again, and you add more text to it so it's longer, or if the length difference is not that big, just like in our example over here, then we can just speed up the Roblox video, which might even increase the retention, honestly. So click on your Roblox video, go over here where it says speed on the top right, and then increase this. And as we can see, it increases the speed at which the video plays, and because of that, it also decreases the length. And now they both end at the same time. So now we have this AI avatar reacting to this video.
Wow, this guy has such a cool base.
Now, in order to add more editing to your video to make it monetizable, you can also add captions. So if you go over here on the left where it says text, and then you click on auto captions, you can just click generate, and it's going to generate captions for your video automatically using AI. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make these videos. Now, if you liked this video and you want to learn more, go to my channel and watch this video over here.
If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us grow and reach more learners like you. Press the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips, tutorials, and AI hacks that can save you time and boost your productivity. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI tools or digital productivity topics you'd like me to cover next. I might feature your idea in the next video.